Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am going to give a speech on value of time. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Value of time. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about something very precious: time. We all know the saying, time and tide wait for none. It means time never stops for anyone. Once a moment passes, it is gone forever. This is why it is so important to make the best use of every second we have. We often hear people say, I will do it later, or I will start tomorrow. But the truth is, there is no better time than now. Time is like money, but unlike money, you can't earn it back. If we waste time, we lose opportunities. Think about this. Successful people value their time. They know that wasting time is like throwing away a valuable gift. Once the time is gone, we can never get it back. So let's not waste even a single minute. For students, time is even more important. The time you spend studying today will help you build a bright future. A minute spent wisely now will save hours of hard work later. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.